Dairy-free alternative milks are so popular these days, but they can be very expensive to buy at the supermarkets, and also there are sometimes some nasty, unnecessary ingredients in there. But you'll be happy to know it is super easy to make your own milk alternatives at home with your Kuvings EVO820 juicer. And all you need are 2 ingredients. Today we're making almond milk, and I have some almonds which I've soaked overnight in water, and some water. And all we're going to do is pop in some almonds, add some water, alternate between them, and before you know it, we will have our very own almond milk. Let's get started. Okay, so pop the machine on, just add a few almonds in, add some water, and we'll just alternate like that until we have the amount we need. Now, the great thing about making your own almond milk is you get to control the consistency. So if you like a nice, thick, creamy almond milk, just add more almonds. And if you like a thinner, lighter almond milk, then just add more water. You have total control. And you can see the milk coming to life in the machine. It's swirling around in there, mixing up. And it won't be long. We'll be able to pour it all out and take a sip. So check this out, beautiful, fresh, nutritious, homemade almond milk with just 2 ingredients, water and almonds. So amazing that you can make this at home all by yourself, so simply. Let's give this a try, shall we? Creamy, the most amazing flavour ever, and you know it's so healthy for you as well because there are no hidden nasties. And now you can add it to absolutely anything else you like.
Kuvings.